नमस्कार दोस्तों, दिस इज़ गौरव मावी and welcome to another video in a series of videos through which I am trying to improve my communication skill. As I come from a rural background, my father was a farmer and I have studied in government school, Hindi medium school. So I have always struggled in speaking in English and communicating in English. So, but I know one fact that with practice you can achieve anything, you can improve anything, and that's where I am trying to practice more through these videos, and I'm going to get better when it comes to speak English. English speaking is a very good skill. It's not something that you should be against. Right, you should, it is a skill that can that can help you get a very good job, that can help you in a promotion, that can help you to open overseas on-site opportunities. So there is nothing wrong in learning English. It is the international language and we should accept that fact. Right, we should know, right, we should have knowledge and we should have respect towards our mother tongue, which may be Hindi, Tamil, or Telugu or any other Indian language. But on the other hand, we should also try to read. We should know how to read, we should know how to speak, because English language, because this is a reality, right? A state can communicate with other state members or native of other state, and the common language will be English. How will you communicate? Right? So it's a reality, right? And it's not something, it's just a skill like you know how to drive a bike or car, that is a skill. Similarly, learning English is also a skill. The more you practice it, more better you will get at it. And how can you practice? You can practice by speaking, you can practice by reading novels, reading English stories, reading English newspaper, get familiar with those words, get familiar with the vocabulary, improve by improving your vocab, by watching sometimes movies or sometimes English news as well, by focusing how they are pronouncing those words. So I also have issues with my pronunciation, and I am working on that, right? And it will I will get better, right? I will improve my pronunciation by working more at it, right? By reading more, by speaking more, right? And it doesn't take that much efforts. You just need to spend some time. You just need to spend your 10 to 15 minutes daily in speaking, 10 to 15 minutes for reading, and in 30 minutes I think should be more than enough, and you will see the changes, right? You feel remarkable changes in terms of your communication ability in 4 to 5 months, right? So it's a I would encourage all of you to work on it. I know I know all of you want to improve. I know all of you want a good job. I know all of you have this feeling to have to get better when it comes to speak English. I want to encourage all of you that you can convert this weakness into your biggest strength. It can be converted. It is not something that you can't learn. It is not something, it's just your mind that is thinking that way, that you can't speak, that you hesitate when you see someone speaking in English. You admire that person. When you see someone communicating in English, you see how well he can speak. Oh, it's not me, it's not my game. I'm not born with this talent, right? But you are. What you need is efforts. What you need is consistency. What you need is daily 10 minutes communication practice. What you need is reading English books, English newspaper. What you need to read at least 10 to 15 minutes of any English related articles or a story or a novel. You just need to familiarize yourself with the English vocab, right? So surround yourself with the things which are in English, and English will become your biggest strength. And it is very important, as I have already mentioned earlier as well. It is very important. You should have good hold over English language. It can give you immense opportunities for your career. It can be one of the biggest factor in landing you a dream job. It is a very important or crucial weapon, right? In that you should have possession of, which will help you to fulfill all your dreams of getting a good job, of working in multinational companies. Because you see all those companies, and right, all they deal with the foreign clients, and they speak, all of them speak in English. So it's an art, and you should not run away from it. You should not run away from the fact that it is not your cup of tea, right? You should, by practicing, by speaking, you will start to realize that you can learn it, you can speak, you can communicate to other person. You may hesitate, there may be hesitation when it comes to speaking in English. There may be fear that other people will mock of you, they will make fun of you, they will laugh at you when you start to speak English, when you try to improve your communication. But those will be the mind my words, right? Mark my words, that those will be the similar friend, those will be the same friend, those will be the same person who will admire you later, when you will learn to communicate, when you learn to speak, when you learn to speak English effectively. Those people will admire you, those same people will admire you. They will say, okay, if he can do, they will inspire, you will inspire those same people, right? So don't be afraid, don't have any fear, don't have any hesitation. It's a common thing that if you try to learn something, people will make fun of you. So see, learn from a child, learn from a kid who is trying to walk. He will fail many times, and then even after failing many times, he will not stop learning to walk. He will not stop, he will fail many times, but he will try to stand up again, and he will try to walk again. So that things happen, and they don't have any fear. They don't think that anyone is judging them. They don't think that anyone is making fun of them. So forget all about these hesitation. Confidence is very important. You should have very good command. So I will come up with next video, and where I will speak something about that, and I will encourage all of you so that you become a very good speaker, you become a very good communicator. I will not stop until each and every one of you learn to speak effectively, learn to speak learn unless each and every one of you get command over English language. Thank you very much. I will remove this fear from each and every one of your, each and everyone's mind who is watching me. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Jai Hind.